ACMS purpose. Aircraft Condition Monitoring System, or short ACMS, plays a key element of predictive maintenance. It consists of a Flight Data Acquisition Unit, FDAU, with high capacity and associated sensors that delivers sensor data from all significant aircraft systems and components. Depending on the aircraft subsystem, data is measured either periodically or continuously, and is stored digitally. Significant changes that may indicate a failure already in progress can be determined easily. This allows the operator to plan maintenance actions in order to avoid in-flight failures and to feed Flight Data Monitoring (FDM). Continuous condition monitoring is typically applied to the engines and their related subsystems. The benefits of ACMS are improving the dispatch reliability, reducing the potential for collateral damage to the aircraft caused by a catastrophic failure, minimizing unscheduled downtime, minimizing operational impact by being able to plan the maintenance activities, minimizing maintenance crew overtime costs by being able to schedule the maintenance activities, reducing the requirement to stock emergency spare parts. Here are a few abbreviations related to FDM, just so you have heard it once. Operational Flight Data Monitoring, OFDM, is the proactive use of recorded flight data from routine operations to improve safety. Flight Operations Quality Assurance, FOQA, is an American designation for OFDM. Abbreviations related to ACMS topics are Aircraft Health Monitoring Systems, AHMS, Condition-Based Maintenance, CBM, Central Maintenance Computer System, CMCS.